Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Welcome to another video. Today's video is a special video. It's a cleaning video. Today I'll be cleaning my living room and my kitchen. I'll be showing you guys tricks I use as a housewife and what I use to make my house look clean and neat. Yeah, first of all, I opened all the windows. I noticed I had to do some sewing on my cushion and couch, so I went ahead to start sewing and mending some of the open spaces we have in the living area. I had to sew the cushion that has like opening and tears and all that. And one thing I've not brought down for how many months, it's my Christmas tree, guys. On this fateful day, see, I was determined to bring down my Christmas tree. So finally I had the strength to bring down my Christmas tree and I was determined to bring it down. I've not had the patience to take down all the Christmas accessory and bring down my Christmas tree, but today I was determined because it was just everywhere in the living space and it was not funny again because Christmas was like 2 months ago. So I decided to pack all the accessories in one bag in order to store, wrap the Christmas tree, and I stored it under the stairs where I know it will be safe for when I need it end of the year. I had to sweep all these fake Christmas snow that was everywhere. Just sweep, pack, and just make sure everywhere is clean, and we've gotten rid of the Christmas tree. Finally, hallelujah, finally that space is empty and I'm looking for an artificial plant I can put there. I am not a plant person, if you know. I've said this in my videos couple of times. I'm not a plant person. I feel I'm not in that space where I can actually take care of a plant or a pet. So I'm currently looking for an artificial plant that looks like a natural plant, if you get what I mean, to put in that same corner or space where my Christmas tree is, because currently I feel that space is empty and it just needs something there. Maybe I'll get a big lamp or a tree, I don't know. But see this snow, whatever, it was trouble cleaning it. It was just everywhere and I just had to clean to make the space better. But at the end of the day, I am happy and I am grateful. I'm so happy that I have finally officially taken down my Christmas tree, which was amazing, guys. So I decided to go do some house shopping. I decided to do some sanitary shopping, get new brooms, mopper, cleaning agent for the house. First store I went to was Sahat's store. I noticed Sahat's store is one of the cheapest store we have in Abuja. Had to get some cleaning towels, some fiber clothes, broom to sweep the house and mop, and just get basically cleaning stuff for the house. If you've not changed the broom, this is a reminder to change that broom in your house that is looking at you, and also change that mop you have been using since last year or last 2 years. Just clean it. I feel it's better after using some cleaning agents. I just feel it's better to change. I also got some aroma oil. I love using aroma oil in my house. Lemongrass, I use lemongrass a lot, and this Ocean Dream, I use it in my bedroom because it's not too loud. the aroma is calm. Got some scented candles for the kitchen and my bathroom. These guys, if you see this anywhere, please grab it because it is amazing. After using that, the smell in my living space was good, and I tried this for the first time. I really loved it. I've fallen in love with this. I mop with this, I clean with that. The smell also is amazing. And I also got sponge. This is also a reminder, if you've not changed that sponge in your living room, if you've not changed that sponge in your kitchen, please, I beg you in the name of the Lord, change it. Got some stuff, got some cleaning spray. I wanted to get this, but I did not get it. But I love using anything that has lemon in my kitchen. Yeah, so let's unbox what we got together from the store. One important place I would love to clean in my house this day is the walls of my house. I have kids, and most times my wall gets dirty. I notice fingerprints. I notice like common stains on the wall, which I find irritating and I don't like it basically. So today I am really dedicating my time to clean the walls. You guys can see like spaces where you have like spots, especially down, you see like fingerprints and all that close to this switch, because most times your fingers are always touching the switch, so it's very dirty. So I was very determined to clean all those spots on my wall, and thank God the paint we have is called oil. Is it oil paint? It's like oil paint where you can always clean spots. So I'm very, very grateful that we chose this paint for our space. So this is me cleaning everywhere, especially that down area. I don't know what's called. It's always dirty because of dust and everything. So this is me just cleaning my walls. I noticed after cleaning the walls, the house looked a lot cleaner and better. Can you guys see the stain I removed from just the wall? Like, so please, if you've not cleaned your wall this year, please, this is a gentle reminder to clean your wall, clean your surfaces, because germs, dirt stay there. Also, I had to clean the wallpaper we have on our runway. I have kids, like I said, they always touch the walls and the wallpaper. That was one reason I had to put wallpaper on my runway, because I know I have kids and their hands are just everywhere. When they are dirty, they touch the wall, they touch the surfaces. Yeah, please clean your wall if you've not. So this is me just arranging the living space. I had to take my rug for washing. This is me trying to put it back, vacuum the floor, vacuum the new rug, make sure it's clean and all that. One thing I love doing is cleaning my space and environment. I really love and enjoy a clean space. So even though I have a nanny or I have someone that cleans my house, it gives me joy. I derive joy in cleaning my house, because I believe no one can do it like me. If you're like me, that you believe, see, no one can clean that space like me, let me know down in the comment section. But because I have kids and I just have many responsibility, I just try to leave the responsibility of cleaning my home and surroundings for a third party. But I really find joy and I enjoy cleaning my space. It gives me joy when I am done cleaning my space and everywhere is neat, is cozy. You can feel and smell the freshness in the air. Yeah, this is me putting the aroma oil I got. I love using like rose lemon, and I just place some on the couch. And once I place this on the couch or the living space on the floor, once you come in, you just feel this scent and you don't know where it's coming from. And I really love this room spray I got. It's called Gold and it smells like gold, guys. It smells rich, clean. This is me just spraying it everywhere, so you would have like fresh, clean and a sweet smell in the living space. And this is amazing, guys. Like, this is beautiful. When I burned one of these wax, everywhere was smelling divine for hours. Living space was beautiful. And this is it. I mopped the house, I swept and everything, but I forgot to record that in the video. And all of a sudden the house is looking all clean, all sweet and cozy. And this is what I love just having a clean and neat space. Everything is clean. You're not scared of dirt. You're not scared of the kids contacting any germs. So after cleaning the living space, this is the next day, I decided to take care of my kitchen. First of all, I wanted to rearrange our cutlery, especially the kids section. My kids have lots of cutlery because I keep buying. Can you imagine? Only 3 kids, all this cutlery. It was just too much and I just had to let go of some. Got a new sponge because you need to change that sponge. Any old sponge you have at the moment, please throw it away. Any old sponge you used in 2023, please, this is 2024, let's throw old sponge away. So this is me just cleaning the cutlery. I had to clean all the cutlery of my kids. Make sure everywhere is clean, neat. Just clean cutleries, and dry them. I allowed them to dry for a while. Also clean all the cutlery we have in the house, from spoons, fork, knife, anything cleanable, anything in that rack that is meant for cutlery. All the straws, just make sure I clean them again and again. And I also had to clean the cutlery rack because I noticed water sometimes, water from the cutlery, if it's not completely dry, it stains and I don't like the smell. I had to reselect my kids' cutlery, kept like 1 spoon, 1 fork, 1 knife and all that, with 1 extra cutlery for the kids. I had to pack the rest and keep up so I can have space. I really love having space. I'm not someone that likes hoarding things. I just bare minimum, where you just have like the right amount of stuff. I feel it's better, it's less complicated and it's just neat and tidy. So this is the cutlery we have now. Once we have guests and it's more than that, I have cutlery up and I'll bring. The next thing is to organize under my sink. I decided to clean all the baskets I use, rearrange my cleaning agent. These are the cleaning agents I am using at the moment. I need to restock on some, but this is all I'm using just to rearrange. Like I said, I love keeping things. I love having like minimum things. I just have to clean, make sure they are neat and I can see everything I have at home. Place them under the sink and voila, it's looking all neat, all organized, and you can just see everything and you can reach everything when you want to. So this is one cleaning hack I have been using lately, and I really love the effect. So I use baking soda vinegar to clean my sink with hot water. I just pour hot water directly inside my sink, and I really love the effect. It leaves my sink smelling neat and clean. I also had to clean my kettle. I've been using lemon and water to clean my kettle lately, and I really enjoy. I really like the effect that it cleans my kettle. I just allow the water to come to boil with the lemon juice and the lemon inside, and it helps clean my kettle and leaves it very fresh. You guys know I love cleaning my surface with this cleaner. I just clean every surface in the kitchen with the tiles on the wall, and it's clean, sparkling. I just love the smell of it. Most times I use a cleaning agent that has lemon because I really love lemon smell in my kitchen. Which hack do you use to leave your kitchen smelling clean, neat? Please let me know down in the comment section. We learn every day. Let me learn one or two from you. If you've watched this video thus far, I feel it would be nice for you to click that subscribe button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave your comments down below. Oh my bestie, let me know if you want to see more cleaning videos this year 2024. If you're new here, and I would really love you to please click the subscribe button again. Let's be friends. I'm a young mom trying to navigate being a mom, a wife, learn how to take care of my home, my family, and myself. And I would really love to have you as part of this family. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for always coming back to support this girl. I really appreciate it. I love you guys a lot. After cleaning my sink, I would end with putting some lemon drops inside my sink, and the smell from this is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.